Well, eastern New England bracing for the arrival of Hurricane Lee. It's expected to bring heavy rain, strong winds, and high seas to the region. Life-threatening storm surge possible for parts of Massachusetts tonight. The governor of Maine declared a state of emergency. Even if Lee doesn't make landfall in New England, its impact is still going to be felt because of the increasing size of the storm.
Don't let the sun and blue skies fool you, because within the next 48 hours, right where we stand is going to be filled with water.
I bought an emergency kit. I got a couple of things of water, and I have a generator, and I just have to go get gas today.
If there's more rain, there's nothing really that I can do. We set up a little bit of like a blockade out of cement, and we're praying that things don't come again.
Well, heavy rain and coastal flooding are forecast to last into Saturday.